Namaste, Devi.
Namaste,
And
Bhavanaji.
namaste to Babaji, Mataji, and Swami Samarth, and all the Gurus. Saptashringi Mata. Thank you so much for this amazing, blissful trip. I didn't even think that I will be coming to this trip. I thought of going when I saw the flyer and post, and I asked my husband, "Can I go like this?" So he told me, "No, kids have school. How can you leave them and go? You cannot go." And again, after 3 4 days, again I asked him, "No, no, north side, a lot of rain is happening, so you cannot go. Don't go." He said. And I just left it. Okay, Babaji, whenever you wanted, you take me. I left it, and just 3 days before, again I asked him. Aram se he said, "Okay, you go and come." Aram se he said. And in between, I spoke to Swati ji. Swati ji, I told her that no, my kids have school, so I cannot come. Then Swati ji told me, "Oh, one day they can bunk the school." No, Jamuna ji, she told. Oh, correct. This is very important, right? We can do that, I thought. So Babaji was giving some ideas and all like this through so many sources. And last 3 days, uh, actually, when I checked 1 week before, it was showing 18,000 for flight. And the day when I booked, I got it for 13,000 itself. And
Oh,
yeah, everything went smoothly. I started that day after 3 a.m. meditation. For me over here, some kind of activation or some kind of movement I was feeling. And then after the meditation, I left. I got ready. I sent kids to school and I left to airport. The journey was so smooth. And in that journey, actually, you had instructed that don't talk much, have the Kesari Mudra and all. So I was always having this Dhyana Mudra and chanting Swami Samarth with Ketari Mudra. But in the bus, in between, one person was sitting beside me. Then he started asking about me and all. Then I told about meditation, and he was interested. Then I taught him meditation, the benefits of meditation, and about ALC and all. I thought he was so much happy that he met me in the bus that day, and he took my number also that I will call you and I'll talk even more. I think I spoke to him for 45 minutes only about meditation, Diti, that day. So Babaji gave me that opportunity to spread that. I was so happy. That person was so happy because he was very much stressed out and he was looking out for this kind of thing and felt happy that he met me. And that is one thing. And flight also. The flight journey in the boarding pass, they have put 2 hours, but he came by 1 hour 30 minutes. And the moment I landed in Nasik, the moment the flight landed, right, when it came there, I felt like I came back to my place. That kind of feeling I was having, I was getting tears in my eyes. In my heart, I was feeling, oh, I'm back to my place. I'm back to my place. That kind of feeling I was having. I don't know why, Didi. Uh, I how to express. I don't know that feeling when you go to your place, right? After a long time, it was like that. And aram se I reached, and the moment I saw you, I hugged you. It was like I can never forget that moment. It's been 1 year I joined ALC, and we went to all those places. For me, it is like, I started my spiritual journey maybe now 18 months. Within this short period of 18 months, Babaji has given me so much. I have no words to tell. Within this 18 months itself, he's given me so much. This trip, after coming back from this trip, my soul is satisfied. I am done. I don't want anything else more than this. He has given not only for this lifetime, for many more lifetimes. This
oh,
what this trip has
wow.
given me is for many more lifetimes. That is what. inside feeling is happening for me, Didi. So
Wow.
what else? I am done. I'm my soul is satisfied completely. My heart is like, it is celebrating. It is enjoying that
Wow.
divine happiness they say, right? Like that. And coming to Saptashringi Mata temple, going there, you selected the sari, you asked me to wear it, you all dressed me up, all of you masters helped me to dress me up, and you all took my pictures, everything. And I did not know I will be visiting that temple. I didn't know. And while going up the mountain, and when we are in the queue also, I was telling Mata, Amma, I should dress you up. I should be giving all these things, sari, flowers, all that accessories, everything to you. I should dress you up. But today you are giving me everything. You are dressing me up. You selected the sari. You dressed me up. You decked me up so nicely. And with this attire, with this Marathi attire, and you are making me come in front. You are giving me darshan in this attire, dressing me up. What is this, Amma? I don't know what is this. Why are you dressing me up? I should do this to you. I was talking. Then my nose ring it fell down when I was asking that, and I searched it. It suddenly disappeared. I didn't get. Okay, Amma, I will offer it to you. You take it. I said, and I finished everything. And after coming down, Swati ji gave me that bag. Jamuna, is this yours? I found it there. I was so surprised. Amma gave it back to me with the blessings. So that is one miracle and blessing I had, and from there we went to meet Guru Mauli, and you introduced me to him. My eyes was filled with tears. I did not know all that will happen over there. I didn't know anything about that place or that ashram or Guru Mauli. Nothing I knew, Didi. And you introduced me and Guru Mauli ji also. He respected us so much. He treated us so well. Oh my God, I cannot express such a great opportunity you gave us, Didi. You took all of us behind you, and you are treating all of us so divinely and giving all these things, and the Homa, Havan, all that, Saptashringi part, Chandi, Bhairava Chandi Homa. How many times we chanted Kala Bhairava Ashtakam? Every day we used to listen to that song and say a few lines about it, but it is going on and on and on and on. Read, 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 read. Amazing.
Amazing.
That place, going around the Vatavraksha and all that, the Veena, and playing the Veena. Divine, divine feeling, Didi. I am like, I did not know Babaji and Swami Samarth have kept me in that place all these days. I thought, okay, I'm doing meditation, I'm translating every day as much as I can. That's all. But after coming to there, that place, meeting Guru Maharaj and all, then I realized, Didi, where Babaji have kept his, which place his house. Oh, I don't know, Didi. So it was so nice, amazing. And after coming back also, like the flight was 2 hours, he came only in 1 hour 20 minutes, and it was so nice. One more thing, I did not give Nariel to offer the for the wish fulfillment manifestation or something. I did not understand that properly, and I didn't buy Nariel and offer it there. But on the day we left there, last day in the morning, his son was in the temple, no, he was doing puja, you spoke to him and all that. That time he gave me the nariyal. I was like, I never offered to him, but still I am receiving. So this entire trip, it is like, Didi, I did not give anything. I'm only receiving from Babaji and Swami Samarth. I'm only receiving everything. I did not give anything. That is what I felt. I got that Nariyal. And I was thinking, I'm going in flight. They will not allow the coconut, what to do. Whatever I have received it, that means it is, it has come inside me. That is more important. I put it in my suitcase and I went, but still in the airport they took it out. I told him, no, this is Swami Samarth Prasad. Can you please leave it? No, madam, no, it is Independence Day. So strict security is there, so we cannot take a chance. He said, all right, I surrender to Swami Samarth, and I came back. It was so nice. I'm feeling, when is our next trip? I am excited. I'm waiting for that celebration thing. And when I came back, Didi, what I want to share is more importantly, my maid is there. She lives in my building only. The day when I left, morning I called her early to help me. She said her son has high fever. The son is only 7 months old. Then I told her, okay, just a little bit help you give me and you leave. You don't have to do everything today. I said, and I left. And after coming back, she came in the morning and she said again, Didi, I cannot come for work today because my son is sick. He has lot of high fever from that day itself. Even I went to hospital giving medicine, nothing worked out for me. Raat bhar he is not sleeping and he is like this only always. Crying, she said. Then I had bought water, no Didi, from Kushwar. So I asked her to, I gave that in a bowl. I sprinkled in my house and I sent her go sprinkle all around the building, entire steps and the terrace where she lives. Terrace in your house also you sprinkle some water, and I gave another separate bowl of water for her. Dip some cloth into this water and rub your baby's body completely with this water. I told, don't worry, he will be fine by evening. You don't worry. She was very sad. I told all that and I sent her. And evening I asked her, how is the baby? ठीक हो गया दीदी. Thank you so much, दीदी. She was so happy. दीदी, the
Oh,
baby got well, and now the baby is playing, eating everything, didi. So thank you so
thank
much with that
you
water. So
so
much
much.
cleansing happened. And today in 3 a.m. meditation, Didi, last few minutes was quiet, no? You were not talking anything. It was quiet. So in my vision, I saw my main door is there, no? In my main door, the door sill is there, no? Where we put rangoli and all. So my daughter is sleeping in front of the main door, like this, Didi. This is the main door. So she is sleeping here with a blanket on and the head towards the door. That is one vision. And after that, next part, the main door, the door sill, and inside the door. You always tell us, no, inside the door also, some 12 centimeter something kali will be there. You put wrong. The door and inside also, so beautifully rangoli is put. It is decorated, so nice rangoli, everything inside. The after the on the doorsill and inside. And after that, another scene came up, another rangoli, another design, and again decoration itself. I saw this, so I thought maybe Ma has come. This is welcoming for her. That's what I felt, Divya. I don't know, but I don't know why my daughter was sleeping there. Why I saw that, I don't know. All this happened, and around 12:30 or 12:45, I sat for meditation, and I was meditating. Now, after coming back from this trip, my vision is so clear. I'm able to see lot
Wow.
of things now. It is red. Earlier, it was cloggy, blur. I don't know what is that. Something is coming and going. But from the time I came back from there, my visions are like, it is so clear and lot of great
Wow.
visions I'm getting, Didi. So in this afternoon meditation, I asked, I want to see you. Okay. Then I saw Swami Samarth and Dattatreya in my house. Didi, both of them I saw so clearly. Both of them are in the center of the living room, one next to the other, and I could
Wow.
see some golden doors opening, closing, so many doors, golden color, divine doors, and Mata also I saw on that door. Very nice visions I got, Didi. And at the end, when I closed my eyes and I was counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the moment I put my eyes here, glittery purple Sahasrara Chakra color, glittery color, so bright and shining for a very long time. I didn't want to take out my hand because that color was so beautiful. And after a while, after that purple color, red color came, orange color came, yellow color came. Yellow color was splashing for a long time, Didi. So I saw all the seven chakras and all that. So all this happened. I'm so blessed. I think I need to find new words going to dictionary to express all that because the words I'm telling is less than 5% to describe or to express my emotions and all that. I'm blessed to be in ALC and being with you, your guidance, your solutions. You're always there for us. Whenever we want, I call you, you're there. Even if I don't call you, astrally, if I just send the message to you, you would have done that. And also, one more, what happened, Didi, in this morning after, I forgot to tell you that Rangoli and all I saw, right? After that, I saw you in my vision. You are in front of my house. I am seeing from the top. You are turning on the other side. You are in the green sari, green blouse. You are turning backside, and a little bit further, one lady is standing who seems to be negative or who's trying to affect me, do something for me. So standing here itself, you're doing something and clearing that up, and then you started coming, entering into my house. I will come from the first floor to all the way to my floor. I just rushed and came inside my living room. You're sitting on my sofa with that green sari, and I'm also emotional. You're also emotional. I came and sat on your lap and hugged you, put my head on your heart here. And I'm also emotional. You're also emotional. It is like mother and daughter, how they meet after long time, no, Didi? It was like that. Mata aa gayi. So all these I saw in my vision, Didi. This is not a dream. In the
Wow.
vision, in
Wow.
the vision, it was so clear, Didi. The like fully, completely clear, not blur or cloggy, nothing. All colorful also.
Good.
So you have given me such a gift. I don't know for not only for this lifetime, for many more lifetimes. Thank you so much, Didi. Thanks a lot. Love you, love you.
That's
And
good to
also, I thought for my maid also, I told her to start chanting Shri Swami Samarth, Shri Swami Samarth. I taught her, I made her repeat with me for some time so that she will not forget. I told her, keep chanting this throughout the day, I told her. So she was doing. And today, one more person called me for job help. Do you know anybody who is hiring? I'm looking for a job. For that girl, also, I told, okay, I will check. But before that, you start chanting Shri Swami Samarth, I told her. So I've already started spreading about the Swami Samarth. So all these happened. Thanks a
thank
lot, Didi. Thanks is too less. Love you so much. Love you, love you.
थैंक यू और स्वामी समर्थ को आप लोगों ने इतना दिल से एक्सेप्ट किया है और स्वामी समर्थ आपके घर में आ गए हैं मेरे लिए बहुत डिवाइन है पता है कि जमुना जी थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग एंड ना जैसे वो आए हैं घर में आने के बाद ना कुछ चीजों का ध्यान रखना है जैसे चांटिंग जैसे क्लीनिंग जैसे रंगोली निकालना ये ना मृत्यु दोष को ठीक कर रहे थे पता है क्या आपको जो
mm,
दिखा है मृत्यु दोष, जैसे
mm.
काल सर्प दोष रहता है ना, वो एक दोष को कंप्लीट क्लीन करने के लिए आपके घर में आए हैं, ऐसा दिखा रहे हैं। उनको रोज नैवेद्य दिखाना है,
Okay.
जो भी प्रसाद, हाँ प्रसाद दे के फिर आप खाना है रोज। जो भी खाना बना रहे हैं नैवेद्य के जैसा बनाना है, प्रसाद के जैसा बनाना है, उनको ऑफर करना है, फिर आपने खाना, बच्चों को भी देना है।
Okay.
आपके घर के अंदर की निगेटिविटी, डांट खाना, वो सब अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा।
Yes, Didi. Yes,
स्वामी
Didi.
समर्थ मतलब माँ है, वो सबकी माँ है।
Mm-hmm.
बहुत चीजें अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगी, और माँ भी है और उतनी ही पावरफुल भी है। वो सिर्फ हमारे लिए माँ है जो उनकी सेवा कर रहे हैं, पर वो दत्तात्रेय का इतना पावरफुल एनर्जी है उनके पास कि वो नेगेटिव एनर्जी को अंदर नहीं आने देते।
Hmm.
हाँ, चैंटिंग भी करना है, क्लीनिंग भी रखना है, और जो रिचुअल्स है ना सुबह के, थोड़ा सा क्लीनिंग करना है, दरवाजे को क्लीन करना है, दिया रखना है, वो सब करते जाना है। बहुत बड़ा दोष क्लीन किया है आपके घर में।
Thank you, Didi. But when I was there, I don't know. I like as such experiences and all. I didn't go through, but I know he is there with me, and processing is happening inside. I knew that, and after coming from there, my energy is too much. Oh my God, such energy. Even in the meditation, even without meditation also, normally also, lot of high energies I'm having, Didi. It is like amazing. I have no words. So
अगर जब स्वामी समर्थ बॉडी में थे ना, आप वहां पे खेल रहे हो ऐसा दिख रहा
what, Didi?
है। अक्कलकोट में जब स्वामी समर्थ बॉडी में थे ना, बॉडी
हाँ
के साथ थे,
हाँ
आप वहां
हाँ.
पे खेल रहे हो ऐसा दिख रहा है अक्कलकोट में, उनका पेड़ के नीचे खेल रहे हो उनके पास।
Okay.
हाँ, इसलिए आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मैं फिर मेरे घर में वापस आ गई हूँ।
हाँ.
आप लोगों का उनके साथ जन्मों से नाता है, इस जन्म में नहीं पहचानते तो क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है, पर आपका है बचपन से। एक ऐसा जन्म दिख रहा है जो उनके पास खेल रहे हो आप इससे।
Okay. I don't want to say hi to Didi.
हाँ,
नमस्ते दीदी।
नमस्ते बेटा, कैसे हो?
जी, आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। आपको हिंदी आ
I'm
गया
fine.
क्या?
What's that mean?
She's asking, are you getting sleep?
नहीं।
क्यों?
Why? Why? She's asking why. What do you want to say?
I don't know how to say that in Hindi.
Say it in English only.
Okay.
आपको हिंदी आ गया क्या इंडिया में आके?
What's that?
He's learned so much, Didi.
हाँ ना,
Tell it in English only.
कौन हिंदी बोल रहे हैं?
Yeah, he didn't know one word also, Didi. Tell it in English, Magne.
How are you? Say.
See, it's okay. What are you feeling when you're sleeping?
Sleeping?
Are you scared?
No.
You're seeing anything?
No.
You're fine now?
Hmm.
Say, Didi, thank you, Didi, for healing me.
Thank you, Didi, for healing me.
Oh, I did not do anything बेटा. Swami Samarth came at your place. So, you know Swami Samarth, who is Swami Samarth?
What are you chanting now, Dhoni?
Shri Swami Samarth.
Yeah, he's chanting always. In the school also, he's chanting Didi now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Didi is telling Swami Samarth have come to our house.
Yeah.
Today. Yesterday.
From when?
Yesterday. Come.
नमस्ते दीदी, आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? ये दोनों ने सीख लिया क्या?
Yeah, Didi. So thank you, Didi.
Thank you, दीदी.
Love you, Didi.
Thank you.
I got it.
Yes. स्वामी समर्थ chanting भी कर दी है इन लोगों ने? अच्छा.
Ah, Didi. So after coming back, I've started telling to everyone, chant, chant, chant. So now they have started.
Yes. हमको डर, ये दांत खाता है ना बहुत, नींद में दांत खाता है ये.
I don't know. You're biting your teeth.
No.
हाँ नींद में
he will do more. Maybe he doesn't sleep, but he will do. The other one will do more.
हाँ आपके हाँ क्योंकि कुछ फील हो रहा है ना नेगेटिविटी दांत खाते हैं इसकी वजह से दांत ना टेढ़े होते हैं बताए क्या
हाँ हाँ
कब
हाँ
दिखता है जब उनके ओरिजिनल ये दांत टूटने के बाद समझ में आता है कि ये दांत खाता था ऐसे
हाँ हाँ ओके दीदी.
चैंटिंग करेंगे तो ये सब अपने आप बंद हो जाएगा आपके आजू बाजू में कहीं हनुमान जी का टेम्पल है क्या
हाँ दीदी है.
जिसको सिंदूर लगाया है
हाँ
है ना वहां पे लेके जाना है इनको वहां की शुगर खिलाना है थोड़ी थोड़ी वो कम हो जाएगा अनचैंटिंग
ओके ओके यस
वो
दीदी.
हाँ दोनों को भी तीनों को भी उसको भी दांत खाने का इश्यू है ऐसे दांत को टाइट पकड़ते वो चबाती नहीं है टाइट पकड़ती है बहुत हाँ दांत में प्रॉब्लम होते हैं बाद में
Okay, Didi. I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you, Didi. Thank you so much. Thanks a
Love you,
lot.
thank you so much. Thank you, love you, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.